Are you having sleepless nights, running a business, not knowing what will happen after you? Are you running a business with the weight of family on your shoulders with no clear way forward? Or are you next in line to take over the business but not knowing? Then this workshop is for you, because this workshop isn't just another workshop. It's about creating that legacy that will last beyond you while making sure you protect the family and retain it as long as it would be required. Whether you're currently leading the business or preparing to step away from the business, or you are about to step into the business, then this workshop is for you. Why? Because this will help you to uncover unspoken challenges that breaks even the most successful family businesses. Then this is your chance to gain insights, valuable insights that will help you to build a lasting legacy that your entire family can be proud of. This isn't just another workshop, a theory-packed workshop. No, this is real hands-on workshop that will help you to create the environment in which honest discussions can be held, which is so vital in moving forward in running a family business. It will also help you restore that trust which has been lost. It will also help you to build structures within the family and the business, which is so vital to have clarity of thought. And finally, it helps you to gain that momentum that's so important to creating the pathway towards having that legacy which will last beyond you. This is all about what you're going to gain in this workshop. If you are a founder preparing to pass the baton, or if you are balancing the needs of the family with business demands, or if you are a next generation member ready to step in, ready to take over the business, then this workshop is for you to have those open, honest, bold discussions, which is so vital to have clarity of thought. So this is your moment to be part of. For over a decade, I have worked shoulder to shoulder with family businesses in Asia and Middle East, helping them spot hidden challenges, hidden issues before they explode. I have also helped them to have a smooth transition from one generation to another and rebuilding the trust which is so vital in family businesses. I don't offer theories. I offer real practical solutions that helps protect your family harmony, your business stability and growth, and most importantly, creating a lasting legacy. These are core important aspects in running your family businesses. You will hear from a powerful panel of real business leaders who are in the family business forum, who will share some of the challenges that they faced and how they overcame. You will also hear from a Gulf-based advisor who have advised over 100 multi-generational families across the Middle East and North African region. They will share with you what worked for them, what didn't, and what they wish they could have done differently. These are stories that will help you in your journey towards transforming your own family businesses, doing differently, things otherwise you would not have heard. So it's all about real stories, real wisdom, and real impact. You will walk away with not just notes or theoretical stuff. You will learn how to unearth challenges and problems that you have not even thought of. You will also learn how to extract solutions which you have not explored at all. You will also learn how to step by step or high level family governance structures that are so important to maintain the peace and relationships. You will also learn how to have that honest conversations up front, which is so important to have those family relationships going on. This is the value that you will take home from the workshop. This isn't just another workshop. It's a defining moment for you and your family and your business. Families don't wait for things to fall apart. They take action before it is too late. So, if you are ready to lead with purpose and protect what matters most, then this is your defining moment. Reserve your seat now. Your legacy deserves nothing short of enduring success through stronger, united, and future-ready family business.